Instagram account, how to make Instagram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can make an Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to basically make an Instagram account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Instagram app, and right here if you have an account you can go ahead and then log in to your respective and existing accounts if you'd like. But if you want to basically create a new account, then you can just tap on the sign up button here. Just enter the username that you would basically like to use in this case, then just tap on the next option. Then once you've done that, you can just tap on this little next option, then just create a password. It's as simple as that. Create a username, create a password, your Instagram account is successfully created. Now if you wanted to add email and accounts and so on, those options are basically not compulsory, but you can add them later if you'd like. And this is how you can make a new account on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.